Okay, so now we're going to make a super smoothie, all right? And we're going to put all kinds of stuff in it. I'll bite off that end. I'm going to put apple. We're going to put turmeric in there. I'm putting ginger in. Putting these beets in. I'm putting 2 carrots. Put the rest of that ginger. I'm going to save that turmeric there. And we're going to move this. I'm back. All right. So next what we're going to do, we're going to put in power greens. And this is Swiss chard. It's spinach and kale. That should do it. And we're going to close that up. Try to get all the air out of it. This is kind of like a salad and a smoothie. Then we're going to get ourselves some frozen bananas. I think we're going to put like maybe 2 of those in there. And then we're going to put in some delicious blueberries. Whoops, that might be too many blueberries. Take that, put it back in the thing. You gotta be careful because sometimes you drop one and they're very messy when they melt. And they melt immediately as soon as they fall out. All right, so now we've got most of our stuff in there, but we've got to add a couple other things. We got to put in flaxseed. And I have a grinder, and I grind the flaxseed myself. And I like to get about 2 or 3 tablespoons in there. So I grind a lot in. That should do it. Then we're going to put in cinnamon. Cinnamon's super good for you. Put about a ½ tablespoon in there. We already have turmeric, so we're ready to rock. And I got ginger in there, so we don't need to put any of that in. Now we got to get some liquid in there. Most importantly, we got to get some pumpkin seeds in there. This is good for the prostate. You want to keep that prostate healthy. Put some pumpkin seeds in. Now we're almost ready to make our super juice. I'm going to put some of this silicone in here. This is almond milk. Put that right in there. A little bit of coconut. And then we're going to hit it a couple times on the blender. Put it on here. Put my top on. Make sure you get that bad boy on there. And then we got to turn it on the bottom. Then we hit that. Mix it around a little bit. Purple from the blueberries and the beans. Give it another hit. You want to get it all ground up good. This stuff stains like a son of a gun, so you want to be careful. You don't want it exploding up all over the place. You'll have pink cabinets. I keep my hand on top. Don't let it get too crazy. All right, let's get a glass and check it out. I blow in my glass so I get any off-gassing from these cabinets that happen to accumulate in here out of there, because I don't want to be drinking that shizzle. All right, here we go. Oh, it looks delicious. All right, here we go. Bottoms up. Much different. Smoothies, you get all of the cellulose in the whole plant. but yet you still get the nice drink. You almost have to chew your smoothie. Super thick. This is loaded with nitrous oxide, which increases the blood flow up to 18% during exercise. So if you drink one of these bad boys an hour or so before you're going to do some heavy, maybe running or anything that's cardiovascular, you're going to increase the supply of oxygen to your body by having the beet, arugula, all the different greens, lots of nitrous oxide. Not in a pill though, in the real thing. And that's what your body wants. You can't just suck this down because it's so thick. But it's got everything you need in it. That's a salad in a cup. And blueberries, super good for your cardiovascular system. Beets, same thing. Chard, spinach, kale, all that stuff in here. Plus you got your pumpkin seeds, you got your zinc, you got your flaxseed, your omega-3. You got everything that you need to be healthy right here. One a day, man, that's all you need. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos on the vegan lifestyle and staying fit and healthy. I'm 64. I'll be 65 next year. So, not doing too bad.